Hello, my name is Sullivan, and I'm taking CSSE class in Gull Lake Community Schools. So what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to start by checking my system and seeing that it's working fine. Okay, I'm seeing that it's working fine, so I'm going to shut it down. Sudo shut down now. And I'm going to enter my password because I'm doing something with admin privileges, which means I need. Oh, oops. Yeah, sorry. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, so I already did this in preparation for the video, but what I would do is I would enter this folder, right? I would go to OS, because that's where all my system settings are, right? And this gets updated as I go, and then I'm going to go to the backup, and I'm going to create a new backup, which is 9.19.2022. And then later I'm going to delete this once I know that this is all good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back into my virtual machine, right? I'm going to go back into my virtual machine. And once I'm in my virtual machine, I'm first going to tell you one good reason why you should update it is because it can update your speed of your loading stuff, so it can make everything quicker, which means that your whole system can move and process information better. Along with that, it can also improve your firewall, and I mean just protection from people who are trying to break in, so it's just like adding more layers of protection in the wall. Okay, so now that we're in here, I'm going to full screen this. I'm going to click this, and now I'm going to start resetting my VM. And updating it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go sudo apt get update. So what this is doing is this is now going out into the internet and looking for updates to this. So instead of me having to go to like the actual site of this VM and then update it there, I can just update it right now, right? And now I'm gonna go sudo apt get update because now it's gotten all my stuff that I would need. So I'm gonna go apt get update. Boom. So now it's getting the update for me, because now it's loading it in, And I don't need admin privileges for this, because I've already used them, so it's already it already is aware what I'm available to do, right? So now I'm gonna give you guys some more reasons while we're waiting around, okay? So another reason why it's good is because another reason why updating is good is because the stability can improve, which means like things won't just like shut off randomly, you know what I mean? And it's like, you're gonna be more reliable with it, and then along with that, it's updated drivers, and drivers are connected to like a big part of your software, the graphics, and so like it can improve it. So like you look from like a couple, like it makes if you're playing a video game, for example, the sprites would look a ton better because it might get a bunch of new graphics because it's attached to the graphics card, so the graphics driver is going to improve. So now I'm going to say sudo reboot because now it's done listing all my stuff. Oh wait, oops, sorry, I did this wrong. This is supposed to be sudo apt. Wait, actually I can do this real quick. Little shortcut. Boom, and then I just put upgrade. And so now it's supposed to be upgraded, and now I can just do sudo reboot. And now it is done. I've updated my system and I've rebooted it too. So now everything should be working swimmingly. And I'll give you like one of the last reasons. The kernel increases, which means it can bring some new functions to your Linux virtual machine. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.